Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to show your hometown to everyone on Facebook. Whether you're proud of where you come from, or just want to share it with the world, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Tap on it. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping on your name or profile picture. This will take you to your personal Facebook page, where you can view and edit your information. Now, tap the Edit Profile button. You'll find this option near the top of your profile page. Once you're in the editing section, scroll down until you reach the Details section. Here, tap Edit to access more options. Under the Hometown field, look for a small pencil icon next to your current hometown or an empty space if you haven't set one yet. Tap this pencil icon to make changes. Once inside the Hometown editor, you can type in your hometown or adjust it if it's already listed. But here's an important step. Tap on the Privacy button located near this section. This is where you decide who gets to see your hometown. Select Public from the privacy options if you want everyone on Facebook to see it. After making your choice, tap Done, and then hit Save to confirm all changes. And that's it. Your hometown is now visible to everyone on Facebook. It's a simple way to share a piece of yourself with friends, family, and even new connections. Thank you for following along. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tutorials that help you make the most out of your social media experience.